The question number one is if we can identify any separatist movements in this situation, and the answer is yes, we can identify them because, for example, in this case, Crimea from the beginning was part of Russia, and then it was part of Ukraine because Russia sold it to Ukraine. And nowadays there are people in Crimea from Russia and people from Ukraine. So there is a conflict because, of course, people from Russia want Crimea to be part of Russia and people from Ukraine want Crimea to be part of Ukraine. And Russia is really angry, and they supposedly officially annexed already Crimea to Russia, but Ukraine refuses to accept this annexation. So Ukraine started shutting down power supply and water to Crimea. And this is a really big conflict between these two countries that want to take the power of this little island that is Crimea.
State wants to be part of Russia, and they have accomplished their goal. Russia signed a referendum in 2014, which said that Crimea is now part of them. Ukraine demands that Crimea is part of them because they were sold from Russia to Ukraine. There's a conflict between both countries demanding their territory. So the reaction of Russia was fighting illegally and claiming illegally that Crimea was part of them because of the majority of population, and Crimea wanted to be part of Russia.
Does the territorial secession happen in the current world? No. They want to, the persons want to return because they sign a contract where they divide out the countries and they want to return to their countries.
We consider our conflict is related to outer space because Crimea is just a dead spot. It doesn't belong to anyone because they aren't from Russia, but they are really from Ukraine, but they don't want to be part of Ukraine. So they are fighting to belong to Russia. So it's like they weren't part of any of these two because they don't really belong to Russia, but they don't accept the fact that they are part of Crimea. So this is why we consider it an outer space conflict.